Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 19 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see y'all. So, you guys, day 19, that's wild. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you would like to do this video, obviously you are more than welcome to, or you can start on day 1. Everything you need to know is down in the description box, and the link to the day 1 practice is also there. We are going to be doing our affirmation, starting off with our affirmation today, and it is, I deserve joy. Right? Short, sweet, to the point, but very powerful. I invite you to gently close your eyes, repeating the affirmation, I deserve joy. Breathing in deep to our belly, and we exhale through the mouth. We're going to inhale, beginning with our 3 ums to start the class. Inhale. We inhale. Our breathing returns to normal. If your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes. Great, you guys. If you're sitting on a block or a cushion, we're just going to go ahead, take that out from under us, and let's go ahead, begin by just allowing the wrist a little freedom. So we're going to hold our hands together, right? So like this, and then we're going to just do figure 8s, right? So allowing the wrist open up to wake up this morning. Great, and you can take it to the other direction. If you want to do circles, you can do circles as well. Great, you guys. From here, we are going to extend the legs out. And we're going to do a nice little seated forward fold. We move the glutes to the side. We make sure that that back is straight. We're going to inhale, lifting the hands above the head. We're going to exhale, forward fold, taking it to wherever is comfortable for you this morning. Right? Really feeling that in the lower back and along the hamstrings. You guys are doing great, making sure that we're breathing here. If you can't grab onto your toes this morning, that is totally fine, right? We just take hold of the shins. And great, you guys. Let's take one more inhale here. And on the exhale, we gently release, using our hand to walk back up. From here, we are going to take it all the way down onto our back. Okay, right, we're going to let the knees fall to one side. And as we inhale, we bring them back up to center. And as we exhale, allow them to drop to the other side. And we inhale back to center, and exhale, allow the knees to fall. One more, we inhale back to center, and allow the knees to fall. Great. We take it back to center, allowing the left leg to go down to the mat, out straight. And we're going to inhale, bringing this right knee up. And then just kind of exploring how it feels to pull this knee up to the chest, or maybe pull it out to the side a little, right? Pulling it towards you, to the right, releasing it, bringing it close to you on the left side, right? So just exploring this movement, but taking it easy. We're going to gently do some circles with that knee, loosening up the hips. And from here, taking it to the other direction. If it's easier, you can hold on just with one hand. Really finding that hip mobility this morning. Great. From here, we are going to take it into a half happy baby, right? So you can take a hold of the toe if you like, or you can take hold underneath the knee, right? So whatever feels more comfortable for you. And then the opposing hand, place it on top of the hip to make sure that we have some control there. So take whichever variation that you prefer, maybe trying out the two, seeing which one you like more. Allowing that hip region to really open up. And on the next exhale, we're going to gently release the toe, bringing the hip back into the chest. And then gently releasing it down to the mat. Nothing too crazy, right? So now we bring the left leg up and we're gonna do the same thing, right? So now we're gonna explore on the left side and maybe just kind of noticing the different mobility that you have from one hip to the other. If you have one that is tighter, maybe a little bit more stiff. Making sure that right hip stays down on the mat though. And now we're gonna do our little hip rolls, right? So again, just kind of discovering what these feelings are. And we're going to take it to the opposing direction, right? And then we'll take our half happy baby variation, whichever is best for you. Okay. Breathing in here. And we gently release, taking hold of the shin, bringing it back. Knee comes to the chest. Maybe we should say comes towards the chest. And we gently release. From here, just kind of wiggle out the legs, right? Walking the hips from side to side. And whenever you're ready, we're going to gently bring the soles of the feet together, right? So doing a little butterfly with the legs. And from here, we're going to make sure that that sacrum is down on the mat. And you can allow your hands to go overhead. Breathing into the body here. You can join the hands together, pointing the fingers, really feeling that stretch all throughout the lower body, allowing the legs to fall. We take one more inhale here. And as we exhale, we gently release the hands. Feet go out straight. And we take it here in Savasana. If you would like, rolling the ankles, doing little circles with the ankles. Allowing the body to relax, letting go of any thoughts. Sinking into your mat. I deserve joy. Whenever you're ready, gently turning on your right side, taking it into the fetal position. And gently walking it back up to easy pose. Taking your time, not rushing. Allowing this moment for you, for starting your day off right. I invite you to keep your eyes closed once you're in easy pose. We're going to inhale, hands come above the head. Exhale, prayer hands to heart. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. You deserve joy. Namaste. We gently open our eyes. Okay, you guys, day 19. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you had a wonderful practice. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 20. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share it with a friend, tell somebody about it. Allow other people to start getting in on the movement, starting out yoga. And thank you all so much for being here. I cannot wait to see you for tomorrow and have a fantastic day. Namaste. Wonderful, you guys. That's it for day 19's practice. Let me know how it went for you in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe if you're not already, and turn on that post notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you all again so much. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow, and have a fantastic morning and day. Namaste.